Okay, it has been a hot minute. But hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Feels good to say. If you saw in my last video, I made this lavender door frame. It turned out incredible. I love it so much. It inspired me to make, what did I even call it? Chandelier light cover thing, but obviously with like lavenders and vines. I don't know. I feel like it's gonna be really cool. As per usual, I really don't have a plan. I just have a vision, and I just know that I can figure it out along the way. So for the frame, I just got this from the dollar store. I think it was like a wreath thing, but you can really use whatever you want. I have already made the lavenders and some vines in different colors and different sizes. Obviously, we need to wrap this somehow in yarn. I think I'm just gonna wrap string around. Okay, we are about halfway done. It probably took about 45 minutes. It's not as bad as I was thinking. So I can hopefully get this done in an hour and a half total, but I'm also now realizing that that means I'm gonna have to hand tie all of these flowers and vines. I honestly have been putting this off for a good like 2 months, and there's a good reason why. Ow, we're just gonna do it. I just start rambling, put it off, but we're just gonna do it. We did it! So the obvious next step is adding all of our flowers and vines, which also took forever, but they're done. I originally wrapped it so I could attach them to the string. I can't even think about how long that's gonna take, so we're gonna try and staple them to the board. I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm not gonna hurt myself doing this. I already added this leaf detail, and this works. It's gonna take so much less time. So the good news, it is looking absolutely fantastic. You see that vision? Now for the bad news. It didn't even fill up half of my ring. This took so long. I thought this was so many. But I will come back when I make apparently a bajillion more. It's worth it. Everything is gonna be worth it. Well, we did it. I have made 55 more lavenders. And it has to be enough for more than half of this. So let's finally finish the lavender frame that has taken way too long. Oh my goodness. So she is officially done over like 120 lavenders and more time than I can even comprehend. My lavender frame is fully complete. And now obviously the last step is just figuring out how to get it up onto the ceiling, and we are almost done. I ended up going with command strips. I don't know. I don't know. Hopefully this is gonna hold it to the ceiling. But before we do that, I have these leftover shiny beads. Of course I gotta use them. So I'm going to add these to the end and then hang it up, and that's it. That's it. Let's finish it. Scratch that. The command strips are not gonna work. I knew they weren't gonna work. I was just too lazy, but I have some leftover hooks, and we're gonna use hooks instead. That makes way more sense. I don't know. Look at that golden hour light. Okay, anyway. Oh, look at that. In the light. She's ready. There's nothing left but to put her up. Let's do it. I'm scared. And now apparently I'm supposed to take those down and let the strips set for an hour. I did not read the instructions before I bought that. We will be back. Oh my gosh, we did it. We need to turn on the light for full effect. I'm trying to get a good angle, just running around. With the backdrop too. Oh, it looks so good. This project took so long, but it was definitely worth it. I'm obsessed. Can you tell I like lavender? Lavenders? Lavenders. We like a theme. Anyway, getting off point. I don't even want to think about the amount of lavenders that I had to make. Doesn't even matter anymore because it is done. Thank you guys so much for following along. Surprise, surprise. I have more lavender projects in the works, including some actual tutorials. Stay tuned, and until next time, peace.